Good afternoon. And guess where I am right now? Hear it in the background. Look at these near perfect, beautiful shells. Look at this one, and I thought that would be a perfect guitar pick for somebody. Perfect scallop, right? And razor clam. How pretty, huh? The waves. I haven't been here in a long time. It's a pretty little sandpiper. We have different beaches here, and I just haven't been to this one in a long time. Yeah, purple, pretty things. See, some have holes in them. This was my original idea of the seashell rosary. Many of you know I make them. And if you'd like one, they're available. It'd be nice for a little donation to support my channel. And you can see some on display in some of the other shows. Okay, get out in it. Enjoy. Bye now.